Well, I like, right, on these hikes I've been, especially these summer hikes, I like to take just this, it's just a mix of vegetables, some ghost pepper sauce. It's mostly cucumber and onion and cilantro. Makes a great base. And I like to stop and grab some stuff along the trail if I can find it. Especially like these little guys. This is Oregon grape. These are the little grapes from it. And I'll just put those inside there. Preferably not the stems. Let's grab some more. They're nice and tart. And kind of lemony. Here's another one that's going to go in our relish bottle. Look at how pretty those are. These are squabush berries. They are so good. This is like perfect too. Look at these. These are perfect. These taste like a cross between lemon and pine, I guess. Kind of a piney flavor. Oh, check out there's another trail right up there. And there's another one that goes right up here. I'm guessing bighorn sheep probably. Maybe deer too. Nice. I'm gonna gather some of these up. Well, I think it's time for a little lunch. Open this up. Let's see, there we go. Got our relish here. Sit down. Normally this is all full of water. Water's really low. As you can see those berries. Got the squabush berries, the little red ones. The purple ones are the Oregon grape. Oh, sorry, there we go. There they are. And normally this is all full of water. Low water year, I guess. And right up through there, that's where I'm headed. Now, I invited a couple people to come up here with me. And one of my buddies said, well, isn't that the hike that you told me that we might die? And I was like, yes. And apparently he hasn't lived enough life. But, so I mean, the water's really low this year, so it's not like it's as dangerous as it has been before. I mean, look at that. That's not so bad. Look at how low the water is. I mean, the water's like really low. Normally, this is like, well, there's still pretty good traction on it. But yeah, I mean, it's dangerous, I guess. But look at that. I mean, where else are you going to experience something as awesome as this? This isn't even the waterfalls at its best. This is like at its worst, and look how awesome it is. Well, I'll admit, that can look a little intimidating. But it's really just a matter of, I mean, just picking your route. Like this, I suppose we could go up there where it's dry. That sounds kind of lame. But this over here, nice and wet, and it's slick. And we've got this natural little shelf coming across. And your exposure is, well, that's pretty decent exposure, but if we can get through the slick where the water's been running on it pretty consistently, then it's not very slick. Just a little bit, but not too bad. You just don't want to fall. As long as you're focused on each step, then it's not so bad. You can pick your way through. This stuff that's kind of wet, that's the dangerous stuff. See, this is all, that's pretty slick. But out here, out where the flow is, it's not bad. Oh man, look at this plant. It's kind of slick. Oh, it's supposed to look like this. Well, it's even more so like that. That's what it's supposed to look like. It's just drying out. Yeah, it's just a dry year, I guess. Not flowing like it usually does. Yeah. I mean, I get it. I get it. That's up there. I mean, it looks a little bit rough, but I mean, you just have to pick your route, nice and careful. Trying to stick to, you know, stuff that's gonna not break off would be the most important thing. That's looking a little bit steep. As long as your holds don't break off, you're usually okay. Now that one, yeah, that's a big one. Oh, I've never been up this side before. Huh. But look, it's basically stairs. Yeah, just jumping straight in. That's the best way to do it. Yeah, that's pretty chilly. It kind of takes your breath away. Seems like over time you would get used to it. Kind of struggling to get used to it. Kind of burns a little bit. I think I'm starting to get used to it. My legs don't feel it as much. They've been in for a while now. The rest of me, yeah, kind of struggling. I don't know, it's like 100 degrees out today, so maybe a little hypothermia could go a long way. But yeah, it's pretty cold. Yep, even still. I don't know that I'm getting used to it. It's becoming tolerable now. I feel like I should be able to see my breath, but I can't. Gosh, it's getting better though. Feels good. I know that I'm sure I've felt cold. La pièce de résistance. Yep. This is the... Man, just not a lot of water. Normally, there's water coming out the whole thing, but yeah, this one's... It's still nice though. Oh, look at that guy. Oh, that moss that's growing on it. Wow. Yeah, it's just really interesting how the low water year, it just affects everything. Like all of the plants that grow around it. Ah, cool. That's really cool. Nice. Well, like it or not, that's the way out. Because, I mean, you can go back down, I suppose. But going down those waterfalls is not ideal. But we're not too far from the normal human trail. The normal human trail is just right up here. So all we have to do is get over this waterfall. And look, it's basically stairs. We just have to get over the waterfall and we're out. Well, sort of. There's not much left after this. We'll hit the trail. But there have been other humans up here. I'm not crazy about that. But, yeah, see? Oh, that's so pretty. See? Like I said, it's basically stairs. Here on up. Big stairs, but still stairs. Crumbly stairs. They're not holding together very well. So that foot looks good right there. And this is probably the most dangerous part. Even though it looks pretty good, all of this is just really loose, making it a lot more dangerous. I don't want to slide. Yeah. Right here we could do a little Tarzaning. Just grab a few of those green branches. The live ones are the strong ones. Dead ones are not. That's some big exposure. See if we can't get a little more distance between us. Yeah. Okay. Green is slick. Like that whole thing is green. One misstep right here. Troy Rock is good. That's all slick right there. One misstep and you're right off the edge of that. That can't be fun. I love these little puddles. These little pools. Ooh, there's another one. Oh, I thought it was going to be deeper. Still pretty cool. Oh, I love those. That rock just broke. Love these little pools. Oh, one's a little bit deeper. Nice. Oh, slick. Oh, like this one. This is looking good. Oh, that one's deep. Oh, nice. Oh, it's past the knees. That's a good one. Man, bet you can make a really good pool out of this one here. Just block it up a little bit. That'd be a good one. Yep. Oh, nice. So pretty. Yep. Onwards and upwards. I remember this one.